This is Infinix Zero and today I'll show how you can set up the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings. Next, go into Sound and Vibration category. Here find the Do Not Disturb. It is absent, or actually it's on top of the page, so you don't even have to scroll it. Enable the feature by tapping not at the toggle but at the body of this section. You are opening the Do Not Disturb mode settings and preferences, which you can change. Obviously, you can set up some exclusions from the Do Not Disturb mode, so you can select what people you want to receive SMS messages from, what apps you would like to, and phone calls from, what apps you would like to receive notifications from. You can manage the alarm sounds, set up automated schedules, adjust the quick settings duration, and so on. Anyway, that'll be it for this video, so thanks for watching, and bye-bye.